Now in this video, we're going to be learning how to introduce other people in a business situation. A little bit more formal than normal circumstances, okay? And this will be done by using just 3 simple characters. Okay, let's watch this video and see. Learning to introduce somebody is very easy. As you can see here, the power language you need consists of just 3 characters. Je, wei, shi. Je, wei, shi. And this would mean, let me introduce you. Of course, you could also use je, shi, which is another way to say this is, but it is not quite as formal as using je, wei, shi. Wei is a formal way to refer to somebody. Now let's say you're introducing somebody that you know, somebody in your company or a friend of yours. So we're going to use these characters here. 我. This means I or me, as we learned in previous lessons. 我. Now this character indicates the pronoun is going to be pluralized, and it is pronounced mun. It is a neutral sound, mun. So we got 我们, 我们, meaning we or us. And adding on the character de, it indicates possession, belonging to. So this here, 我们的, indicates our. Now let's go back here. 这位是我们的. May I introduce you to our. Now, we can also say 我的, meaning my. 这位是我们的 or 这位是我的. May I introduce you to our or my. So now let's take a look at some titles. So we have 公司的. 公司的. It means company. Now as you can see, de is there, of the company. And then we have 重要客户. 重要客户, which will translate as a very important client or customer. 重要客户. So we would say 这位是我的重要客户. Okay, this is my important client. Or 这位是我们的重要客户. Next we have 业务合作人. And this would translate as business partner. 我的业务合作人. Now this one, 同事. This would be your colleague, your companion at work. In mainland China, this would be also known as comrade. 同事. 我的同事. 我们的同事. 这位是我的同事. Now let's say you wanted to use a person's name after this, because your important client has a name, or your companion, somebody has a name. So we're going to look at the name we had before, Wang. After the person's name, if you add on Zong, this is a term of respect that you are showing to the person. It's more like the head of the company, the chief, the person whom you highly respect. And it's very good to use in a formal situation. Okay, that was a lot to learn, wasn't it? But just keep in mind the 3 simple characters that we have mentioned to introduce somebody. Okay, and remember to make this a little less formal, like if you're among your colleagues or friends, you can introduce them by dropping wei and have just 这是. Okay, like that. It's very easy, and on the website I'm going to have a new interactive vocabulary section made so that you can learn more about the characters, more about your vocabulary, how to read and write the characters, and even has some audio files for you to listen to, authentic Chinese speakers. Okay, so go ahead, check it out, and don't forget your workbook, okay, because you're going to need it to practice your writing. So I thank you for watching, and we'll see you in Lesson 6.